everyone! So for today's video, I will be doing my April GILTBOX unboxing. So this is my April 2018 GILTBOX and we're gonna see what's inside. So let's start. First, there's one item that is not inside a box because it's too big. It is this one. This is the Cocoa Line Naturals Body Wash. It is the triple whitening one. Last box, nakuha ko yung moisturizing, which is my favorite body wash. Pero they had the small one lang. This is the biggest size. This is 340 ml. And I think this is 193 pesos. That's the selling retail price. And yeah, my GILTBOX cost 250 and I got this for 193. Ito yung totoong price nito. And yun. I'm just weirded out kasi I already got a body wash last time, but it's nice na it's the full size in this box. And I don't really like the whitening. I keep getting whitening products and I really don't want whitening products. Pero yun, this actually is not my favorite. I like the moisturizing one kasi this one kind of dries out my skin, but it's okay kasi I have the body lotion naman. And Cocoa Line actually sent me their products before, that's why I was able to try them out. And now I have another one since I'm out of this one and also my moisturizing one. So, yun. Mas gusto ko yung moisturizing though. So, if ever I was to recommend, I'd recommend the Intense Moisturizing instead of the Triple Whitening. But this is actually really good too. Just, it's not really the best for my skin. Okay, so for the box, it looks like this. It says, Hello Summer GILTBOX, and then it has my name, and then medyo parang I forgot how you call this, pero parang it's like yung picnic style thing. I don't know yung print. There it says the website of GILTBOX. Inside it just has this one. The inside looks like this. It has a card which says, Hey summer babe, beach waves, sun-kissed skin, fine sand on your feet, adorable sunsets by the beach. This month, we're officially welcoming summer in the country. We included products that will surely make you enjoy summer like a real summer babe. Whether you're by the beach or in your office cubicle. Enjoy love, XOXO, your GILTBOX fam. So they have a GILTBOX tip here and then enter to win contest. I think you have to, yeah, take a photo of your April box. Yun na yung pang-enter ng contest. Okay, so this is what's inside my GILTBOX. I guess bumawi sila dito kasi 100 plus to. And I just have a few products. I have another Angel Skin lightening bar. I don't know if I got this in my last box, pero ibang variant to. Oh, this is like a Kojic soap. It's a orange. It's an orange soap. And I'm using the white soap currently, yung nakuha ko sa GILTBOX ko before, and it's nothing really special. I'd rather use something else. But yeah, I have soap, and I have two of these. What are these? Selsum Blue Dandruff Treatment Shampoo. Oh, they're both shampoos. I do kind of have dandruff, so this is very helpful, but it's so small. And then lastly, okay, I'm very disappointed with this GILTBOX, but yeah, this is the Strawberry Shortcake Hand Scrub. This is from Bloom Skin, and it's just a small sample size. Look at that, it's like so small, and it's not even full. I'm gonna open this. So that's it. That's what's inside my GILTBOX. Oh my gosh, like super konti lang. I don't like the GILTBOX this month. It smells good though. I don't know how to use this. Do I have to like wash it? So it's like a hand scrub lang. Okay, so that's it for my GILTBOX unboxing. I don't really like anything in the box except for this one. This is a good size. I guess konti lang yung laman kasi they gave a full-size one, but I don't like this. I wish I had the moisturizing one, but if they did give me the moisturizing one, baka parang sasabihin ko pa ulit-ulit na lang yung laman. Pero yeah, I keep getting whitening products and I hope they stop that kasi I think every box I get it's like whitening products and I don't really like whitening products. I'm already too white. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this. Give this a thumbs up if you did. Comment below what you think of GILTBOX. I really am not a fan of it anymore. And yeah, that's all for this video. Bye!